Ever wished you could tailor an AI to do exactly what you need? That's where custom functions in Retell AI come in, offering you the power to personalize your AI's responses and create a truly unique user experience. So let's find out how to do it. Think about it, you're running a customer service bot. Maybe you're developing an interactive learning tool. Custom functions let you give the AI specific abilities to work for you instead of general responses. Your AI can instantly pull information, transform input, or even trigger other applications and systems, all based on the user's needs. Setting up custom functions in Retell AI is easier than you think. First, inside the Retell AI dashboard, locate the section dedicated to functions. This is usually in the navigation menu or the dashboard's workspace. Next, click Create Function. You'll be prompted to describe your brand new function. Think about what you want your AI to do. What data will it receive input? And what results should it give output? Carefully plan how the function should be defined and the responses it would give so your Retell AI can do exactly what you designed it for. Once you create your own function, it's time to activate your new system. Your specialized AI is now set up to perform complex tasks, all via the custom functions you integrated. Now, test your new custom functions, make changes, and repeat those steps until everything works just right. As you can see, custom functions offer power tailoring and making your AI completely personalized.